Newer home in established neighborhood. Fantastic floor plan with open kitchen, granite, and stainless. Island with bar seating and eat-in area. Real laundry room, formal dining room, and half bath. Owner's suite on main features laminate, ensuite bath with tile, double vanity, walk-in closet and glass/tile shower. Upstairs features 3 generous-sized spare bedrooms and a full bath. Covered deck open to wooded lot that ends at a creek. No backyard neighbors. Storm shelter in garage. 2 storage sheds.